Hello everyone and welcome to an episode of Boozman Outdoors. Today I'm excited to announce I'm in my hometown area. I'm at Lake Arthor in Moraine State Park and we just launched from McDaniel's behind me. It's about 7 o'clock at night and we are going out for some night fishing. It is beautiful right now. The sun is just starting to drop behind the trees and we're going for whatever's biting, whether it be crappie, walleye, catfish, whatever. But the exciting thing is we have our green light with us this time, which is not so popular up here. Pretty much everybody that uses that, they are down south, Texas, Arizona regions. So everybody up here gets a little confused when I use it, but it works. So we're gonna test it out and hopefully pull something in for you guys. Let's go. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go to my favorite spot out here. It's just to the right of this nice down tree. I'm sitting in 20 feet of water, which is significantly deep for this lake as a whole. And to be this close to shore with debris, it's honestly damn near perfect. But just to the right of it, actually, down along the bottom, 20 to 18 feet, start seeing in a second, there should be a down bush right over here. Let's see here. Coming up on it. There it is. That's what I want to fish on. Nice drowned branch, tree, bush, whatever you want to call it, right there. Here we go. Nice and bright. Let's cut this. Huh. Oh, there you go. What'd you get?
A slab.
A slab. Let's see. Ow, jab me. Nice crappie. He swallowed it.
Look what I caught. Look what I caught. Jack, that fish might be longer than your pee-pee.
That's not nice. I'm sorry. There we go. Aha! A little crappie. Emphasis on little. But I got them on the Snagum spoon, topped off with what? These are mealworms, right? Mealworms with a little, what, 6-inch crappie? Nice. Yeah, I got another one. Look at that.
Is it a baby?
A little crappie. A little bigger though. That one's on a minnow.
They're just not even.
That he was just hanging on.
Yep. They're biting so light. Maybe we need to get.
You playing with him? Oh yeah, you got one. Get him. Get him. Did you get him? You pulled him right out of the water, didn't you? That's not a bad one. That's a bigger one.
Why? I just caught a fish. You want to call these fish caught a fish? Yeah.
There you go.
Well, look, Mom. I just had Jack take it off.
There we go.
Look. Yeah, it's nothing to brag about. How you doing?
There we go. Haha. Nothing big over here. Just everything's little dinks. Below average, I'd call them. But if it came down to it, it's better than catching nothing. And we wouldn't starve, right?
Like, not all it took about is food. Honey, I'm starving. Suck my toe.
Are you hungry?
I'm not really hungry. Are you hungry?
I could eat something, a snack on something. I feel like snacking. Just about. There's a crappie right here. Oh. Yeah, there's a stick that comes up almost to the surface. And he was just chilling right here, and I just pointed at him. He scared him down. Alrighty, and with that, we're gonna end the night. It's about 10 o'clock. We've only been out here for 3-ish hours or so, but we weren't skunked. That is great. Nothing crazy big though, but it was still fun to catch. The bite is super light. I think we're in that weird phase of, you know, hot weather going in the cold, because right now I'm chilled. So these fish are probably a little bit confused, and I don't think they're gonna be super fun or easy to catch until the ice season. So, but for now, the Snagum Jig with a worm on it was the trick, or just a minnow hanging off the side. So good luck to y'all, and I'll catch you next time. Patrick Mahomes.
That's not my guy.
Oh, is that your guy?
No.
Damn. He should be your guy.
No. By you saying that, it shows me that you are on a bandwagon.
Mm-hmm. Well, he was on the cover of Madden, so he has to be good. He has to be good.
Who's better?
Who's better, Patrick Mahomes or
Josh Allen?
Josh Allen? Drop it in the comments. I'll know if you're watching.